Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best electric skateboards in 2022. I've made this list based on handling, ease of use, maximum speed, battery life, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an inexpensive model that's perfect for joyrides or a premium model that can reach impressive top speeds, we'll have the best electric skateboard for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive electric skateboard that can nail the basics and consistently deliver a smooth and enjoyable ride, the Highboy S11 is my choice as the best budget option in 2022. The Highboy S11 is an affordable, beginner-friendly alternative to premium models that comes with a sturdy, lightweight build, a wireless remote that's easy to use, and 4 different riding modes to help you learn the ropes. It has a compact design that only measures around 30 by 8.3 inches and features a rear kicktail for easier pivoting. It has a lightweight design that weighs around 8 pounds, so it's easy to carry around as needed, and it offers a solid maximum user weight capacity of 220 pounds. You also get a vibration dampening build with solid 70mm wheels underneath to ensure you get a smooth, steady riding experience. Unfortunately, it lacks the battery life of higher-end options like the boosted Mini X, but it can still last for up to 9 miles per charge, which is solid for the price and suitable for casual rides or shorter commutes. Currently priced at an affordable $250, it comes with a range of intuitive features such as roll-to-start functionality, 4 speed modes, and smooth acceleration, which makes it an ideal choice for entry-level riders. The 350-watt hub motor is also decent and can deliver a maximum speed of up to 13 miles per hour, though it's not powerful enough for steep uphills, and more experienced users would likely be better off with a faster model like the Meepo Shuffle V4 we'll mention shortly. You also get a user-friendly wireless remote that allows you to quickly switch between riding modes, adjust the speed, brake, and view the remaining battery life. While it doesn't offer the battery life or maximum speed of higher-end models, the Highboy S11 offers enough range for casual riding requirements and multiple speed settings for a significantly lower price. If you're shopping around on a tighter budget and just need an affordable electric skateboard that's easy to use and can handle lighter rides, this might be the best choice for you. For anyone who wants a solid option that offers an impressive maximum speed and solid battery life for a reasonable price, the Meepo Shuffle V4 is my choice as the best electric skateboard for the money in 2022. Meepo's Shuffle V4 electric board is an improved version over their previous models, and it offers 2 powerful motors that deliver impressive torque on most terrains and 4 versatile speed levels to help cut down your travel time. It has a longboard-style design that comes with a slight concave for improved maneuverability when turning or pivoting. The board is relatively lightweight at around 16 pounds, but it doesn't sacrifice build quality and features 1 fiberglass layer for added flexibility, 8 layers of sturdy Canadian maple wood to accommodate users up to 300 pounds, and an IPX6 water resistance rating. While it doesn't have the best battery life on this list, it offers a solid 11-mile range per charge and 8-amp fast charging support, so you can fully charge the board in around 30 minutes with compatible chargers. The 2 built-in 4th-generation hub motors can deliver up to 620 watts of power for improved torque and performance on uphill terrain, which is impressive considering the current price of around $500. The 29-mile-per-hour maximum speed is faster than some more expensive competitors like the boosted Mini X, and it has 4 different riding speeds depending on your experience level. You also get a remote with dependable wireless connectivity and a display that lets you control the acceleration and braking modes independently. Even more, it features an upgraded ESC with a sensitive control system for improved control while riding and more responsive braking at higher speeds. The Meepo Shuffle V4 isn't the best choice for longer rides, but it offers plenty of power, versatile speed settings, a sturdy dust-proof build, and a comparable riding experience to more expensive options. This is a great choice if you're not looking to spend too much but still want a powerful board that's comfortable to ride and provides good value for the price. Some people might want an easy-to-use electric skateboard that can handle a range of terrain and deliver a smooth riding experience. The boosted Mini X is my choice as the best electric skateboard for most people in 2022. Not everyone has the money to splurge on a premium electric skateboard, and the boosted Mini X is a great all-around option that offers impressive speeds, smooth riding, and excellent battery life for a lower price than high-end competitors. Like the previously mentioned Highboy S11, it has a compact, relatively lightweight cruiser-style design with a kicktail that allows you to quickly change direction. It has a wider deck than traditional skateboards to help keep you balanced while riding, and it features a custom-designed deep dish composite build and a lightweight poplar core that can support users up to 250 pounds. It also offers an impressive range of 14 miles on a single charge, which is more than cheaper models like the Meepo Shuffle V4 and ideal for commuting. For a current price of around $600, you get a powerful 1,000-watt motor that can power through hills as steep as 20% and deliver an impressive maximum speed of 20 miles per hour that can get you where you need to go faster. I like that it features regenerative braking, so it slightly recharges the battery as you brake to help extend the runtime, and you get a responsive braking system to help keep you safe. You also get an ergonomic remote with intuitive controls that allows you to toggle through the 3 riding modes depending on your desired cruising speed and experience level. The boosted Mini X doesn't offer the same top speeds or range of the high-end Halo Board Beast we'll mention later, but the battery should be able to handle most riding requirements, and it still delivers a smooth, speedy riding experience. If you're not looking to splurge on a premium model and want a great all-around option that's easy to maneuver, lasts for a while, and can get you where you need to go quicker than traditional models, this might be the best choice for you. Next up, we have an excellent option that provides a good combination of speed, build quality, torque, and riding performance. The Skatebolt Breeze 2 is my choice as the best overall electric skateboard in 2022. With its multiple speed and brake modes, outstanding maximum speed, robust build, and powerful dual motor system, the Skatebolt Breeze 2 is a high-end option that's built to last and can easily handle some steep uphill paths. It has a longboard-style design with wide trucks and wear-resistant wheels that are designed to provide a stable ride, though it's heavy at 21 pounds. The build quality is excellent, and it features a sturdy bamboo deck and 2 layers of fiberglass that offer plenty of strength and flexibility, along with a solid maximum user weight capacity of 265 pounds and a waterproof IP67 rating. The battery has a shorter maximum range than the premium Halo Board Beast, but it allows you to travel around 11 miles per charge to satisfy most riding requirements. Even more, it features 2 built-in LED brake lights to help keep you safe at night. It features powerful dual 900-watt hub motors that deliver enough torque to climb hills with a 30% incline and a smooth all-around riding experience to justify the current price of around $700. Unlike the previously mentioned options, it has a convenient cruise control function, which makes it an ideal choice for longer commutes or joyrides. The wireless remote is comfortable to hold and provides details of your distance traveled, remaining battery life, current speed or brake settings, and more. You also get 4 speed levels with a top speed of 30 miles per hour for different users and 4 levels of regenerative braking for gentler or harder stops. The Skatebolt Breeze 2 is the best overall option because of its outstanding build quality, enough battery life to satisfy most riders, and superior riding performance and power to the previously mentioned models on this list. I would recommend this if you're okay with spending a bit more and want an electric board with plenty of power and some useful advanced features. If money isn't an object and you're looking for a premium board with class-leading battery life and control while riding, the Halo Board Beast is my choice as the best high-end option available in 2022. The Halo Board Beast is an incredible electric skateboard that offers top-of-the-line construction to hold up over time, dual-drive motors for increased power, and regenerative brakes to help charge the battery as you go. It has a long, low-profile design that's only 4.5 inches tall to keep you close to the ground and 12-inch ultra-carved trucks for greater control when turning. It's made from professional-grade Canadian maple wood and a carbon fiber underside with a maximum weight limit of 285 pounds, but it's the heaviest board on this list at 23 pounds, so it's not the most portable option. You get large 97mm wheels that help reduce vibration, or you can purchase additional 120mm wheels to handle some off-road terrain. Even more, it comes with a regenerative brake system and a robust, fire-safe battery that provides an outstanding 25 miles of ride time per charge, which makes it ideal for longer rides. While the current price of around $1,300 is likely too expensive for casual or entry-level users, it offers outstanding all-around performance and utilizes 2 powerful, quiet 3,200-watt dual direct drive motors that can easily handle hills with up to a 25% incline. The top speed is a bit slower than the previously mentioned Skatebolt Breeze 2, but the 26 mph maximum speed is still impressive and can reduce your travel time. It also comes with an ergonomic remote that allows you to toggle through the 3 riding modes so you can ride, cruise, or quickly reach top speeds depending on your comfort level. The Halo Board Beast is the best high-end electric skateboard because of its impressive maximum speeds, intuitive remote, and outstanding battery life. If you want the best of the best, or if you can afford the price and want a premium skateboard with ample range and power that can provide a smooth ride on various surfaces, this might be your best bet. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.